You guys about this bonnet. This bonnet is handmade. It is guaranteed quality. It is guaranteed quality and is guaranteed to last. Look how long my braids are. These braids are 30-inch, okay? And these bonnets can fit all these braids. Let's try. So of course you're gonna put your hair, you can just leave it like that. Just put your bonnets on and you can tuck up all your braids in there. Now, you see that? Now, this is what they call a bonnet. You still have room. You still have room to do things. Look at it. And my braid was 30-inch. Yes, and it stays on all night. It stays on all night. It will not move. It is not tight. It is not uncomfortable. Get your Henricka bonnet. And the inside of all of Henricka bonnet, it is lined with satin. So it's really good for your hair. The cotton will never touch your hair. And all of this African fabric is from Africa, handmade. So you're guaranteed what you get in quality. Get your bonnets. Well, I'm getting mine. I have like 3 or 4 of these bonnets. So get yours. Bye.